Good morning friends. Our today's topic is table. What is the table? How to create the table? What are the advantages of table? These are all things we'll discuss in this video. First of all, what is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. And also table is used to organize the information in our document. How to create the table? Where the table option is available. See here, insert menu is there. Okay, insert menu is there. Click on the insert menu. Whenever we click on the insert menu, table option is displayed like this. See, table option is displayed like this. Just click on the table option. Immediately some sub options will display like this. Insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet, quick tables like this. Okay, some sub options will display. Using these options, we can insert the tables and also we can apply some formattings on the tables, everything. Okay, now I will explain step by step. Okay, first insert table. The insert table contains some small boxes are there, some small boxes are there. Whenever we place the cursor on that boxes, the table is created, the table is inserted in our document. See here. Okay, depend on our requirement, just click on that one. So immediately the table is displayed like this. Whenever the table is displayed, immediately here two menus will be displayed. That is design menu and layout menu under table tools. Under table tools, design menu and layout menu will be displayed. Clear? Now, okay. See here. So the table here, some small plus symbol is there on one side of the corner and another side of the corner some box is there. Okay. Okay. Whenever I will place the cursor outside of the table, see, there is no plus symbol, there is no small box. Whenever I will place the cursor on the table, immediately the plus symbol and the box symbol will be available. So what are they? What is the uses of them? So whenever we have to select the total table, in that case we have to click on the plus symbol. Whenever we click on the plus symbol, immediately the total table will be selected like this. Clear? In another case, if we want to minimize or maximize, that is, if we want to resize the table, then we have to click on that box. So here box symbol is there, na? Just place the cursor and drag with the mouse like this. So this is the maximize of the table. If you want to minimize, like this, so it is minimize of the table. Using the box symbol, we can resize of the table. Using the plus symbol, we can select the total table. Clear? See here. Design menu is there. Here design menu is there. So using design menu, here so many table styles are there. See here, table styles. In design menu, table styles are there. So using design menu, we can apply different styles to our tables. Select any one of it. Select any one of the style and click on OK. Immediately the style will be applied to our table. Clear? Like this. If you want to apply the shadings, so see here, in design menu contains shading options also. So whenever we click on the shading, some colors will display. So depend on our requirement, we can apply the shadings. Just place the cursor where we want to apply the shading and click on the shading option immediately. So the shading is applied like this. Like this. See here. So depend on our requirement, we can apply the shadings. And next, one more option is there, border styles. So using border styles option, we can apply styles to the borders of the table. So just click on it one. So there are so many border styles are available here. Select any one of it. Okay. I am going to select double line So double lines are there, single lines are there. I am going to select double lines like this. So now I am going to apply the borders like this. So we can apply the borders to the tables or cell also. See here, like this. Okay, we applied like this borders. Like this, borders will apply. Clear? Like this. Now, how to insert the rows and columns? Insert rows and columns. So to insert the rows and columns to the existing table, there are so many types are there. I will explain. Okay, the first one, this is the type 1. Type 1, I will explain. For this thing, I am going to take one more table. Okay, click on the insert menu, click on the table option. So see here, insert a table option is there here. Okay, insert table. I am going to click on the insert table. Immediately, insert table window will be displayed like this. The insert table contains table size and auto fit behavior. The table size contains number of columns and number of rows. Auto fit behavior contains 3 options. Those are fixed column width, auto fit to content, auto fit to window. Okay, so in the table size, number of columns, number of rows we have to mention here. Defaultly it will mention number of columns is 5, number of rows is 2. If you want to change, no issues. Okay, I am going to change here, number of rows 4, number of columns 5, like this. So now I am going to click on OK button. Whenever I click on the OK button, immediately the table is displayed like this. Clear? Like this. So my requirement is I want to insert rows and columns. How to insert the rows and columns? So where we have to insert the rows and columns, in that place just click on, put the cursor and click on layout menu. Here layout is there na, layout menu. Okay, see here some 4 options are there. Insert above, insert below, okay, insert left, insert right. 4 options are there. Using these options we can insert rows and columns in the existing table. Okay, just place the cursor where we want to insert the rows and columns and click on insert above. See, whenever I click on the insert above, immediately see one row is inserted like this. Okay, now totally how many rows and columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. Rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are there. 5 columns are there. 5 rows are there. So previously how many we take? Only 5 columns and 4 rows. Now 1 row is added now, so 5 columns and 5 rows. Now another one. See here, insert below option is there. Okay, whenever I click on the insert below, so just place the cursor from where to insert and click on the insert below. Immediately 1 row is inserted. 1 row is inserted like this. Okay, now totally how many rows and columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there. Okay, like this. Now to insert columns. To insert the columns, that means just I place the cursor from in the first column, click on the insert left. See here, insert left is there na, insert left. Immediately 1 column is inserted, 1 new column is inserted. See here, totally how many columns, rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows are there. Clear? And also insert right. Just place the cursor and also click on insert right. See, immediately 1 column is inserted at the right side of the cursor. Clear? So like this we have to insert rows and columns. This is the one type of. So now I am going to explain the second type, the type 2. Type 2. Now I want to display, I want to insert rows and columns. Okay. Now I have to take one more table. Now I am going to take draw table option. Using draw table also we can draw the table. Click on the draw table. Immediately the pencil will display like this. So I am going to draw table like this. See here. So draw table like this. Okay. Now I am going to insert. How many rows or columns are there here? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. 4 rows, 5 columns are there. Okay. Now I want to insert. How to insert? So how to insert, that means, so there is one option is there in layout. There are 4 options are there. Insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. So instead of those options, so I will insert rows and columns in another way. That is, just place the cursor here. So one plus symbol is displayed like this here. See, one plus symbol. See here, plus symbol is there now. Just click on that symbol. Okay, just click on that symbol. Immediately see, one column is displayed like this. One column is inserted. So now how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Okay. So if you want to insert rows, then also just click on the, just place the cursor here. Here also one plus symbol is available. See here, plus symbol is available. Okay. Just click on that one. Immediately see, one more row is inserted. So like that, how many you want, that many you have to insert. Clear? Like this. Now type 3. To insert only rows. To insert only rows. So for this I am going to take one more table. Okay. Like this. So I want to insert rows. So already 2 types we done. Third type, just place the cursor and press tab key from the keyboard like this. Okay. So now the cursor is the last cell. Okay. Now I am going to press again tab key. Immediately see, one more row is inserted like this. Okay. Like using tab key also we can insert rows. Using tab key from the keyboard. Using tab key from the keyboard. Clear? Like this. Now I want to delete the rows and columns. So to delete, for this I am going to take one more table like this. Okay. Now I want to delete one. How to delete? So just place the cursor which one you want to delete. Okay. Now click on layout menu. See here, delete menu is there, sorry, delete option is there. See here, delete option is there na? So click on the delete option. So whenever I click on the delete option, immediately some options will display like this: delete cell, delete column, delete rows, delete table. Okay. just I am going to delete total column. That's why I am going to click on delete column. So how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 4 columns na rows. 1 2 3 4 4 rows are there. So I am going to click on delete columns. Immediately see, one column will be deleted. One column is deleted. Totally 3 columns, 4 rows are there. Okay. If you want to delete total row, in that case just select the row. So delete rows. See here, delete rows are there na. So delete rows. Immediately the row is deleted. Totally 3 columns and 3 rows are there. If you want to delete total table also, just click on this plus symbol. The table totally selected. Now click on the delete table. Okay, delete table. Immediately the table will be deleted. Now merge cells. How to merge cells? So for this thing I am going to take one more table. Okay, like this, one more table I took. Now I am going to merge cells. So for this thing to have, if we want to merge the cells, so first of all we have to select the table like this. Okay, select the table, click on the layout menu. See here, I selected the cells in the table and I am click on layout menu. In the layout menu, merge cells option is there. Okay, now I am going to click on that one, merge cells. See, immediately that the selected cells are merged like this. Okay, like this. Now split cells. Split cells. For this thing I am going to take one more table. Now I am going to split the cells. So for this thing just I selected like this. So click on, so just I selected the cell. Okay, now I am going to click on layout menu. In layout menu, split cells option is there. Okay, click on split cells. So immediately the window is displayed like this. Okay, number of columns and number of rows. Click on OK. So immediately see here, the cell is splitted like this. Okay, like this. Next, split table. Split table. For this thing also I am going to take one more table. Okay, now I am going to split the table. So from where we want to split the table, just place the cursor there. Okay, so see here, place the cursor there and click on layout menu. Click on layout menu. Click on split table option. Click on split table option. Split table. See here, immediately the table is splitted like this. Okay, like this. Next, text direction. For this thing I am going to take one more table. Okay, text direction. So just I am going to type Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like this. Okay, if you want to okay, increase the column width and increase the row height I will explain later. Okay, so just I am going to increase the column width. So now I am going to change the text direction. So click on the layout menu, click on the text direction option, text direction. So immediately see here. So see here. So the direction is changed like this. Okay, like this, like this, like this. Okay, depend on our requirement, we can change the direction of the text. Clear? Like this. Next, increase the column width and row height. And row height. So how to increase the column width, how to increase the row height? For this thing we have to take one more table like this. Now I want to increase the column width. To increase the column width, just place the cursor here. So the cursor shape will be changed like this. Then press the mouse left button and drag like this. So the column width is changed like this. Row height also, just place the cursor on the row. So like this, the row height also is changed, is increased. Like this, to increase the column width and row height also. Okay. Thanks for watching. And also one more thing is there, eraser. So I have forgotten this thing, eraser. Eraser. See here. How to erase? I am going to take table like this. So I want to erase the cells. In that case, just click on the layout menu. Okay. Here eraser is there now. Eraser. Just click on the eraser. So the eraser is displayed like this. Just click on that one like this. So it will be erased like this. Okay. Using eraser we can erase the columns and rows. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.